Namaskaram and welcome once again to Let's Get Creative. This is Sarakshi and today we are making a super tasty and healthy recipe which is raw banana parathas. Raw bananas are full of iron, calcium and zinc. So let's take a quick look at the recipe. To make the parathas, we need salt, onions, dhania powder, amchur, coriander leaves, some roasted cumin powder, red chili, kasuri methi and garam masala. So now let's move to the next step. So here I have 5 to 6 raw bananas and now I am cutting the edge of the banana and then cutting it into two halves. At this stage we are not removing the skin of the banana. So here I have a cooker. In this I am adding the chopped bananas and 1 to 2 glasses of water and we will cook this up to 2 whistles. So meanwhile our bananas are getting cooked, we will prepare the dough. So here I have some whole wheat flour in which I am adding salt and we will prepare a dough just like we do for rotis. So our dough is ready. Cover it with a damp cloth and now let's move to the bananas. So now it's been 2 whistles. After the banana is cooked, I have removed them into a bowl and now we'll peel the skin off them. Now it's time to mash the bananas. So now we are adding the rest of the ingredients. So first goes in the finely chopped onions. Then I am adding 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon roasted cumin powder, half teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon amchur, salt according to your taste, half teaspoon coriander powder and kasuri methi and some fresh coriander. And now I'm giving this all a good mix. So now I'm preparing the paratha. For that, take a small portion in your hand, roll it in a circle, then dip in whole wheat flour. Then I'm rolling it like a small thick roti. Adding 1 full heaped spoon of the stuffing. Then take the parathas in your hand and pinch the corners. We want to pack the stuffing inside. And then pull it them all in the middle. Again roll with light hands. Dip in flour and roll it like a normal paratha. And now our paratha is ready to toast. So in a heated tawa, place the rolled paratha and cook it for a while. Now again I'm flipping the paratha and applying ghee. A wonderful aroma is coming and our paratha has turned golden brown. So let's serve it. Serve the tempting and hot paratha with a cube of butter. So our delicious and tempting parathas are ready, and now I will have a bite of this tasty paratha. I can say only one thing. This is amazing. Nobody will able to recognize that this paratha is made up of raw bananas. So if you like this recipe, do give it a try and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Let's Get Creative. See you in my next video. Till then, goodbye. Happy cooking.